Great, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about strategic calculation as a form of socialization. Strategic Strategic calculation assumes that there are rational actors. Okay? Rational actors means that they can weigh opportunities, they can calculate strategically in such a way that is in their best interest. And this assumes that actors respond to threats and or rewards. It's threats and rewards that get people to change their behavior. For example, when they talk about how countries that want to be part of the European Union are convinced to give up their own traditions, they look at these countries and say, you know what? We value our traditions, but the economic benefits of European Union membership are so much greater than the value of these traditions, so we're going to give up these traditions in favor of accepting European Union membership. And a great example of strategic calculation I just saw in the news the other day. Switzerland is a country that prides itself on firearms possession. Well, the European Union is trying to pressure Switzerland, which is not part of the European Union, to have more stringent firearms laws, more stringent firearms regulations. And if they don't, they may kick them out of what is known as the Schengen Economic Zone, which may result in economic damages to Switzerland. So they're going to have to weigh, are their traditions of firearms and marksmanship more important than the economic benefits of being in the Schengen Zone? It's a tough one. On the other hand, you can also assume that actors respond to threats. And you can think about this, even at work. You can say, hey, you know what? You either do this or you're fired. Okay, that is a threat. Or, hey, you can do this and I'll give you a bonus. And it assumes, okay, you know what? I could do what I'm normally doing, I could get paid, or I could not do it and get fired. Okay? You see this all across, you see this all the time. But it assumes that people make an active calculation as to which courses of action are in their best interest based on rewards or threats. Our next video, we're going to talk about role-playing. I'll see you then.